Meaning of dramatist.
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 Dramatist. A dramatist is a person who writes plays for the theater, television, or radio. They are responsible for crafting the dialogue, characters, and plot of a dramatic production. They may also work with directors and actors to bring their plays to life on stage. The role of a dramatist is to create stories that engage and entertain audiences, often exploring complex themes and issues. Through their work, dramatists have the ability to provoke thought, challenge norms, and inspire change in society.